Welcome to the next part of the JSON data processor project. So in the previous part, we had seen load data function. So we just loaded the data set from the JSON. So now we'll be seeing the view students function. So in this view students, if a user wants to check all the students whose information is there in the JSON file, so we have a function view student. So when the user clicks on view student, it should display all the information of the students. So let's see the code. So we'll see only that particular part function from now onwards, because if you have any doubts in the main function or in the previous part, we can just go to the previous section and watch it. So yeah, now we have a vector, we have this function load. So first, when view student comes, so we first load data. So load data is basically this function. We first call the previous function, that is load data, and then it checks if the student is empty. If the record is empty, then we say no student records found, and then we exit the function. Now if the record is not empty, then we have to display the student's records. So how do we display that? We start to each and every element. We iterate from the first element till the last element of this student. Now we print ID of that particular student, name, age, department, year, CGPA, email, and then we give a closing line after all the students. So this is how it works. Let me run the program. This was quite simple program where you have to just print stuff. So now onwards, the options, whatever you enter, it starts working. So here, when you enter 1 for view students, it will work and it will view all the students. So yeah, now I'll enter 1 for view students. Okay, so you can see these are the students. Student record. So first ID is 1, name is Ananya Sharma, age is 20, department computer science, 3rd year, 8.5 CGPA, and then email. So onwards, like this. Similarly, 5 students are there. So all the 5 students have been displayed. Now I have to, it is asking me for one more option. So when I click on exit, I just click on exit. So I'll just get out, exiting, goodbye. So let me submit the program. We'll fill the remaining functions in the upcoming videos. So this particular video was for view students functions. The test case has passed, and thank you for watching. That's it.